WT0408 Daiselin Fajarito, 23 years old, single, college graduate, 2 years experience, Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
Yes, I'm Daiselin. I'm already 23 years old. I'm the eldest among 4 siblings in the family. I do have 2 younger sisters and a brother. And my father is an aluminum and glass installer. And my mother is a housewife.
Where is your location or place? How far and how many hours of travel going to Manila?
Yes, I live in San Pedro, Laguna, and it took 3 hours.
What is your family background?
Like what I said earlier, I am the eldest. My father is an aluminum and glass installer, and my mother is a housewife.
If you have children, who will take care of them?
I don't have children. I'm still single.
Tell me something about your DH experience.
I work as housemaid here in the Philippines, in Makati, Bel Air. I used to handle 2 kids, ages 8 and 5 years old, and 1 teenager, age 14.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
Yes.
What kind of Chinese food?
I can cook fried rice, chop suey, and steamed vegetables, steamed fish.
What are your hobbies?
I love taking photographs, I love cooking, and cleaning the house, of course.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby or elderly?
Yes.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes. First, you need to clean the bottle first, and then after cleaning the bottle with soap and water, you need to sterilize that. The nipple, you need to sterilize that for 10 minutes, and then the bottle, you need to sterilize that for 15 minutes. And then after that, you check the label of the milk so that you can put the right formula of milk and add water. And you can check also the temperature of the milk before feeding it to the baby.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
I will check if the diaper is full, or maybe the baby wants to sleep, so I will check that.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
First, I will ask her mother, or maybe if her mother is out, I will call her mother so that I can ask her about the baby, if she what will I do, and for information about if the babies have have allergy on the medicine.
Do you know how to sing a lullaby song?
Yes.
Please
And
try.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now you know the ABC. Next time come and sing with me.
Do you have any other talents?
Aside from singing, I also love like taking photographs and cooking.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will make myself busy to my work, and I will consider my employer. I will treat them as my family so that I will not feel that homesick.
If one of your family will get sick, will you break the contract? What will you do?
No, I will just call. I will ask for the permission of my employer to call them here in the Philippines and ask them what they need, and to be able to send them money here in the Philippines.
What could you teach the children?
I can teach, first of all, good manner, how to respect people, other people, and how to write English, how to speak English, and I can also teach them how to count.
How long can you work in Hong Kong and why Hong Kong?
As much as as long as my employer wanted me to stay in their home, and Hong Kong because Hong Kong people or people in Hong Kong are so good and they're nice people.